Check out for discount codes. Welcome to Justwell YouTube channel, where we live, learn, adventure, and charity. We talk about finance, personal development, travel, and community service. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. We post on Tuesdays and Wednesdays at 4:30 p.m. and sometimes on Fridays at 1 p.m. East Africa time. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to talk about online shopping tips. The first tip is search for coupons when shopping. How often do you see yourself, especially when you click some sites, they give you options of getting coupons? How often do you pay attention to the coupons, or do you maybe consider them like maybe there are people trying to hack your email, or you just ignore them for no reason? Comment down below if you don't look out for coupons. And if you do, what are the tips that you can share with us so that we can also get to enjoy some savings from the coupons? The next tip is sign up for email or text alerts from your favorite retailers. If you shop often, maybe at a certain online shop, and you know they have offers, for instance, you find an online shop which says they have the Black Friday, they have an offers season during the holidays and all that. And are you always alerted when they have those offers? Others also just have random offers. So if you're linked to their text message alerts or their emails, then you'll be able to know when the offers come up. The next tip is check your debit or credit card for cashback opportunities. You will either be notified by your bank, or you receive a notification from your favorite retailer that they are giving maybe 10% off, or you get some cashback, or you get some loyalty points whenever you shop using your debit or credit card. Comment down below if you have made some saving while shopping using your credit or debit card. The next tip is ensure you register for reward points / loyalty points if you are a regular shopper. For instance, some malls would even give you a package for one card which will give you points for the shops across the mall. So if maybe that's your local, or maybe that's where you frequent, it would really make a difference if you do that. If it is an online shop, also it would really help you if you keep tabs with the reward points and ensure that you don't miss them out. The next tip is follow influencers to get discount codes. You'll find most of the businesses, they have partnered with influencers, and therefore if you use their influencer code, then you get to make a saving. Comment down below if you have made a saving using these discounts, and if you knew the price before getting a discount, because like I said earlier in the previous videos, sometimes something can be said it's on a discount or it's on offer, but the offer is the actual price. It's only that you don't know the previous price, so you're not comparing it with anything. The next tip is wait for sales, especially around holidays, and of course be sure of the prices prior to the sale. If you don't know the prices before the sale, you're not even sure whether you are actually buying something on sale. Sometimes you'll be surprised that that same item maybe it's even less than 5 shillings cheaper than the actual market price, so you actually end up not making a saving. Yeah, so The next tip is compare prices. Obviously, don't assume because maybe a certain brand or a certain organization have a discount, then automatically you're buying from that shop. It's good to just compare the prices, but also, like we have always said, don't compromise on the brand. If you have ever bought something on offer and it never actually served you well, comment down below. The next tip is be conscious of quality. Sometimes if you go online, you'll find the actual same thing, as in in your eyes these things are not different, but they have different prices. So you will always look and maybe you say, this one seems to be cheaper, these ones, they actually look the same to me, so why should I buy the expensive one? Sometimes that calls for maybe a lesser quality. Why should they have a different price? Are you trying to tell us that maybe all the buyers are expensive, or all the buyers do not agree on a certain amount or something? As in, maybe the variance is significant. You can buy something and then when you get home, you're even asking yourself, so did I really make a saving? Because after some days, it's either worn out, or it's actually not serving the purpose because you got something substandard. The next tip is, if you're shopping international, find out how to get free shipping. This will definitely save you a shilling here and there. And in the modern day, things are easily now sent out to different countries, and you can get different options for shipping which are more pocket friendly. Comment down below with any idea of the shipping modes that either can be free or they can attract a minimal charge. If you have used them, of course they must be reliable. The next tip is, if you're shopping online, protect your data, especially if you're using your credit card or your debit card. It is important to ensure that you keep your information safe, because most of the fraud, especially for credit cards and debit cards that happen online, it's because you have given out your information. If you shop online, do not save your card details. This saves you from unnecessary exposure to third parties, and also helps you to manage your expenditure, because when you just need to click and shop, then you tend to shop more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe to join the Jest family. If you are a returning subscriber and my Premier Gang, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. We also value your feedback, so let us know the kind of content you want us to share on this channel. See you on our next one. Bye.